job. Good job. Good job. You're doing awesome. Can you wave to Mama? She's like, look. Alright, ready? I'm going to hold you here. Woo! Good job! Rub your bum. Rub it, rub it, rub it. Make it feel good. There we go, baby. There we go. Alright, let's go to this side. Stay right there. Okay, ready? Count these. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zoom. There's your elbow. Where's your phalanges? Here we go. Ooh, that was a crunchy shoulder, wasn't it? Did you feel it? Yeah. You've been playing hard, haven't you? Alright, big hug. Ready? I'll hold you there. Good job. Woo! Very good, baby. One more. Oh, good job. Alright, boy. Turn this away. Here we go. Hold it in here. You're such a good girl. There we go. Good job. Good job. Are you getting adjusted? There we go, baby. There we go. Alright, remember that. Are you tense in here? Okay, good one right there on the right side. It's alright. Very tickly, huh? Alright. Turn your ear just a little bit. Oh, good job! That was a good job. Much better, huh? Mm-hmm. There we go. Is this one is out? Okay. Last one. Ready? Look at Mama. There we go. That was loud. Did you hear all that popcorn? Oh, that was loud, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Are you going to sleep good tonight? Mm-hmm. Any sign stuff with her?
She sniffed a little bit today, but
Not too bad.
she had headache problems.
Good. That'd be good. Touch your toes. Good job. Ready? Alright, you want the big black thing? You want this guy? Yeah? Where do you want it? Right there. Okay. Right here? Oh, that's tickling. Where else do you want him? Right there. Okay. Your hip's been bugging you a little bit? Yeah. That feels good. Yeah. Where else do you want to go? Right there. She loves her legs. Has she been having any like growing stuff? They're not complaining about it. So it's good. Yeah! It's tickling! Let me get this part. Oh! Wow! There we go. Let's do this one. Woo! Woo! Alright, anywhere else? Right there on the bottom. Woo! Does it make them light up? Woo! Woo! I did it. Look. You see them? How about this one? You want to see if it lights up too? Ready? Yeah. There we go. Let me check this again since you... Alright, walk around, make sure that's good. Do you want to walk around?
her a hug?
A new tongue.
You give her a hug and tell her thank you?
I'll give her a hug in a little bit.
Aww.
You're so sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A new tongue.